Hi, this is Nick with Wolfman Repairs, and today we got SEGA Genesis Model 2. Alright. As you guys can probably tell, this is one of my favorite consoles because I keep buying them. And I keep showing you how to fix them. Let's see what's going on with this one. Well, I don't know if I show you how to fix them. I show you how I fix them. Is that the right way to do it? Probably not. Let's just have a peeky poo in there. Well, we got stuffage in the cartridge slot there, so let's not jam a game in yet. Don't want that to go farther in than it is already. Probably shouldn't have the console plugged in for this. Aha! Stuffage. Sweet. Where'd you go, Sonic? Get on in there. Let's see what's going on in here. We got no power. Well, LEDs aren't working. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of loose. Aha, we have power. I saw a license screen. And Sonic boots up. Sweet. Now, what if I let go of the power cable? See, I'm pushing it down right now. Ah, we lose power. Push it down. We get power. Let it go. We lose power. Push it down. Alright, yeah, I gotta stop messing with it. Alright, sweet. So we know what's wrong with this. This power port needs to be resoldered. Let's break it down and take a look on the inside. Phillips head screwdriver flipper over. What's this? What are these? What are you? I mean, it's probably for Sega CD. I've never ever seen a screw in there. So let's take all these out. I mean, I've probably worked on... I probably bought like 50 of these already. I've never seen a screw there. What the? That's a weird looking screw too. It's a what you call self-tapping screw. So is that one. That's strange. Lots of strange stuff on this console so far. We're not even inside yet. Usually these aren't self-tappers. They're just, you know, screws. Well, they're self-tappers, but not like that. I mean, you're pulling out pieces of plastic too. I wonder if someone lost the screws for this and just put in whatever. Alright, it'll come apart. Okay. It's not too bad. Now we gotta take all these screws off around the outside. Around the outside. Alright, we just sent those screws flying everywhere, so that's pretty cool. It is a VA 1.8. Cool. I don't know the difference, but that's what this one is. 2 more screws, and then we could get at the back of the board. Yeah, I don't know if this is a later one or what. Why it has those self-tapping screws. All right. So here we are. Now, let's see. This is where the power port is, and there's wires in there. But as you can see, you see that moving? Oh, I hit the camera. You see that moving? That's not good. Now, I've heard mixed reviews about these wires, that they're not factory, that they're factory. I'm just going to leave them. So with these wires? Let's argue in the comments below. I like it. Let's do it. I'm going to say they're not factory. So let's argue. So all I'm going to do is reflow this here power port. And then this will get our power port working. Now I'm sure these aren't supposed to be connected together like that. So let's fix that. Let's just add way too much solder. That's perfect. There we go. Not connected anymore. All right, sweet. That should be good. Let's clean it up a bit. A little IPA. And let's just see if it's moving now. No, it's not moving. Sweet. All right, let's plug it back in, make sure that everything still works. All right, I saw a license screen. And now we can move that all over the place and it's not shutting off. So that's good. Let's make sure the controllers work. Well, not that the controllers work. Let's make sure the controller ports work, is what I should say. Alright, well, start works. Up, down, left, right, A, B, C. Sweet! So this all works. Let's see if player 2 works. We need a player 2 game. Well, let's see if reset works too. Sweet, reset works. Nice. Let's get another controller. And a player 2 game. Player 2 game. A 2-player game. Oh, man. I think that's what we should start calling it now, a player 2 game. Streets of Rage 2. Best Sega game ever. Let's argue about that too. Down in the comments below. Alright, I'm using the second player to press start, so I'm assuming second player works now. Let's just make sure all the buttons on second player work. Up, down, left, right, A, B, B, C. Alright, sweet! So this here, SEGA Genesis Model 2, just need a little power port reflow. So as with all these, I'll reflow all the major touch points that people touch. Controller ports, cartridge port, AV, and power port. And send this on its way. Hopefully someone who enjoys it very much. If you want any of these, they'll all be on eBay eventually. If you're watching this a couple years from now, they're probably gone. But I probably have more, because I can't stop buying them. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it very much, and we'll see you next time.